In this video, I'll guide you through how to print a Docusign document. Whether you've just finished signing something online or you've received a document that someone else sent to you, having a printed copy can be really helpful for your records, for filing, or for situations where a physical signature or paper backup is still required. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, you'll need to open the document you want to print. Start by signing in to your Docusign account in your web browser. Then go to the section where your completed documents are stored. This is usually labeled something like completed, signed, or documents. Look for the specific agreement or form you want a paper copy of and click on it to open. Give it a moment to load fully. You should see the entire document displayed, including any signatures and dates. Before you move on, quickly scroll through the document to make sure it's the correct one and that all pages and signatures look as expected. Once the document is open and you've confirmed it's the right one, the next step is to click Print. On the Docusign viewer page, look near the top or in the main toolbar for a print option. It might appear as a printer icon or as a button labeled Print. When you click it, your browser's print window or dialog box will open. If nothing happens, check whether your browser is blocking pop-ups because the print dialog sometimes appears in a new window or tab. Now that the print dialog is open, you'll select your printer. At the top of the print window, you should see a drop-down list or a field labeled Destination or Printer. Click that and choose the printer you want to use. If you're printing at home or in a small office, you'll probably see one or two printers available. In a larger office, you might see a longer list, so take a moment to pick the correct one. If your printer doesn't appear, make sure it's turned on, connected to your computer or network, and installed correctly on your device. Sometimes closing the print window and opening it again after checking your printer connection can help it show up. Before you confirm, look over the print settings. You can usually choose how many copies you want, which pages to print, and whether to print in color or black and white. If the document is several pages long and you only need certain pages, set that here instead of printing the entire thing. You might also want to check options like double-sided printing if your printer supports it, which can save paper and make the document easier to handle. When everything looks good, go ahead and confirm the print. Click the print button in the dialog window. Your printer should start working within a few seconds. Listen for the printer to start or watch for a status light if you're nearby. After it finishes, take a moment to look over the printed pages. Make sure all the text is clear, that none of the content is cut off at the margins, and that all signatures and dates are visible. If something doesn't look right, you can adjust the print settings and try again. And that's all there is to it. Open your Docusign document, click Print, select your printer, and confirm the print.